Welcome to our gardening heaven, where we're about to share 22 short and effective organic tips for maintaining a thriving vegetable garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips encompass everything from pest control to soil enrichment, ensuring your garden blossoms with health and abundance. As we delve into the world of organic gardening, we invite you to join us on this green journey. Don't forget to hit the like button if you discover a new trick that resonates with you. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for a continuous flow of gardening wisdom. Companion planting. Grow plants that repel pests next to your vegetables, such as marigolds, basil, or nasturtiums. Neem oil. Use neem oil as a natural pesticide to control common garden pests. Diatomaceous earth. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth around plants to deter crawling insects. Garlic spray. Make a garlic spray by blending garlic with water and spraying it on plants to repel pests. Ladybugs. Introduce ladybugs to your garden to control aphids and other harmful insects. Row covers. Use row covers to protect plants from pests while allowing sunlight and water to reach them. Beer traps. Bury containers filled with beer to attract and drown slugs and snails. Floating row covers. Use floating row covers to protect plants from flying insects like cabbage moths. Compost tea. Feed your plants with homemade compost tea to boost their immune system. Intercropping. Mix different crops in the same bed to confuse and deter pests. Cayenne pepper. Sprinkle cayenne pepper around plants to deter mammals and insects. Beneficial nematodes. Apply beneficial nematodes to the soil to control soil-dwelling pests. Essential oils. Use essential oils like peppermint or eucalyptus to create a natural pest repellent spray. Handpicking. Regularly inspect plants and manually remove pests like caterpillars and beetles. Chickens. Allow chickens to roam in the garden to eat insects and provide natural fertilizer. Trap crops. Plant sacrificial crops to attract pests away from your main vegetable garden. Praying mantises. Encourage praying mantises in your garden, as they are natural predators. Onion and garlic barrier. Plant onions and garlic around susceptible plants to create a barrier against pests. Vinegar spray. Mix vinegar with water and a few drops of dish soap to create a spray for soft-bodied pests. Mulching. Mulch around plants to suppress weeds and create an environment less favorable for pests. Soap spray. Use a mild soap solution to spray on plants, disrupting the protective coating of certain pests. Eggshell barrier. Crushed eggshells create a barrier against slugs and add calcium to the soil.